This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can insert and eject a memory card on this device. So, take your drone, doesn't really matter if it is unfolded, switched on, switched off. From my experience, even when you're actively using it and it's enabled, linked to the remote controller, it will still be able to process the SD card insertion or ejection, no problem. But, well, just for convenience, I have my drone powered up and the legs folded in. Now look at the rear or the back part of your drone, right where you have the charging port and the battery, and to the right of the charging port you actually have an SD card slot. Now above it you have the convenient icon that shows you which alignment your SD card should have before you insert it, so follow it. In my case, or in your case as well, it is going to be in this position, so place the SD card's contact part to the top, like that, and then simply insert it into the slot. Once it is inserted, push it in all the way, and when you hear a very subtle click, that means that the SD card is inserted successfully and now sits in its place, designated place. Now to eject the memory card, all that you gotta do is push it in. It will be unlocked and become available for you to pinch it and take it out. Just like that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.